In this video, I got new number plates and how to wrap your dash trim in Alcantara. Hello everyone and welcome back to BIMMERHEAD. For the number plates, I'm using double-sided tape just because I don't like the number plates holder and I don't like to use any screws. This way it will have a much cleaner look. Make sure you get the best double-sided tape that you can find because you don't want to lose your number plates as you drive along. If you want to see how to remove the dash trim from your car, there is another video about it, so you can watch that. Right here I'm just jumping straight to wrapping it. I've bought some Alcantara online and now I'm just cutting it to the right length and apply some glue. I just want to let you know, guys, that this isn't my first time doing this. I never wrapped Alcantara before. This is my way of doing it. I'm sure there are different ways to do this. The result was really good, so I decided to share this. I really enjoy how this turned out. I've decided to leave the white on the doors. It just matches better with the exterior color of the car. I wanted some Alcantara, but not too much. So I'm really happy with the result. It's just exactly what I wanted. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.